Imagine a future where utility and innovation meet, where the line between science fiction and reality blurs. That future is now, and it's shaped remarkably like Tesla's Cybertruck. In the age of information, secrets are rare commodities. Yet Tesla, the pioneering electric vehicle manufacturer, has managed to keep a lid on one of its most audacious projects. That is, until now. A recent leak has offered a tantalizing glimpse into the future. The Cybertruck trailer, silhouetted in mystery. The Cybertruck trailer is the latest brainchild of Tesla's visionary CEO, Elon Musk. It's a game changer, a disruptor, a symbol of how far we've come and a beacon of where we're going. This isn't just a trailer, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. Details surrounding the Cybertruck trailer have been scarce until the leak, a slip in the digital world, a loose thread in the veil of secrecy, and suddenly, the world got its first look at Tesla's latest marvel. From the leak, we know that the Cybertruck trailer shares the same futuristic aesthetic as the Cybertruck itself. Its design is a testament to Tesla's commitment to pushing boundaries and challenging norms. But the trailer is more than just a pretty face. It's a powerhouse of utility, designed to complement the Cybertruck's capabilities and enhance its already impressive functionality. The Cybertruck trailer leak has revealed the potential of Tesla's latest innovation. The trailer's design mirrors the Cybertruck's futuristic aesthetic while enhancing its functionality. The leak has not only sparked excitement and speculation, but has also highlighted Tesla's commitment to pushing boundaries and redefining norms. Remember, in a world of constant evolution, change is the only constant. And Tesla's Cybertruck trailer, revealed in this leak, is a prime example of that change. It's a glimpse into a future that's already here, a future where innovation and utility are inextricably linked. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the mystery of the Cybertruck trailer. After all, the future is not a destination, it's a journey, and the Cybertruck trailer leak is just the beginning.